guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So my name is Nidhi Sharma and today I'm going to tell you about explain the difference between let, constant and var in JavaScript. So let's watch the video. Explain the difference between let, constant and var in JavaScript. Var, function scope. Variable declared with var are function scope, meaning they are only accessible within the function where they are declared. If declared outside any function, they have global scope. Hoisting, var declarations are hoisted to the top of their scope, allowing them to be used before the actual declaration in the code. Reassignment, variable cleared with var can be reassigned and updated. Let, block scope, variables declared with let are block scoped, meaning they are limited to the block where they are defined. They are not accessible outside that block. Hoisting, like var, let declaration are hoisted, but the variable in not initialized until the declaration is reached in the code. Reassignment, variable declared with let can be reassigned, allowing for updates. Constant, block scope similar to let, variables declared with constant are block scoped. Hoisting, constant declaration are also hoisted, but like let, the variables is not initialized until the declaration is reached in the code. Immutable value, variables declared with constant must be assigned a value when declared and cannot be reassigned. However, the content of objects or array declared with constant can be modified. Use cases, var rarely used in modern JavaScript due to its function scoping and hoisting behavior. Use let or constant for more predictable variable behavior. Let, preferred for variables that may be reassigned during their life cycle, suitable for loop counters, temporary variable, etc. Constant, preferred for variables that should remain constant and not be reassigned, used for values that should not change during the program execution. Global object property, var, variable declared with var at the global scope become priorities of the global object. Let and constant, variable declared with let or constant at the global scope do not become properties of the global object. Temporal dead zone, TDZ, let and constant, variable declared with let and constant are in the TDZ from the start of the block until the declaration is encountered, preventing access before initialization. Redeclaration, var, allow for redeclaration within the same scope without causing an error. Let and constant do not allow redeclaration of the same variable within the same scope. Thank you. To sign up for the React Month Stack training, please contact 98759 or email info@devotshub.com. Thank you again.